Let's see how to use Emsword in iPad 10th generation. In the first step, open Settings. After that, select your Apple ID. Next, go to iCloud. In the next step, launch App Store. After that, look up Microsoft Word. Then press Get. In the next step, start Microsoft Word. Then log in using Microsoft account. Later, agree to the terms. In the next step, open Settings. Later, select Bluetooth. Now, pair an external keyboard if necessary. In the next step, launch Microsoft Word. Next, start a blank document. Now, begin writing. You are good to go.